Welcome to our video demonstration for the basics of installing a zero-zone highlight merchandiser case-to-case lineup. This will be a brief overview. Refer to the installation and operation manual for more details. First, check the case labels to identify the first case in the lineup. Then remove the shipping packaging. Inspect the display case for any damage. Remove parts attached to the roof during shipping. Verify that all parts are included in the Ship Loose box and inspect for damage. Find the Tinnerman clips that are provided with the kick plate assembly and install them to the bases where cases are to be joined. Next, mark out the base plate locations on the floor with tape. Then use a rotary laser level to find the high spot in the lineup and place the required amount of shims accordingly at each base plate location, both front and rear. The shims are placed perpendicular to the base plate, with the front edge of the shim lined up with the front edge of the base plate. This allows for proper installation of the kick plate later. Tape the shims to the floor. Some base heights will require hat channel rails, as shown in this video. Position the case that will be on the left end of the lineup. Shelves must be removed to join the cases, so cut the tie wraps and remove the clips that hold the shelves. Then take out the shelves, bottom wire racks, and coil covers from the right end of the case. Next, lift the rear duct cover out of the right end of the case. This provides access to the joining holes. Prepare to join the cases by following the caulking instructions that are included inside every lineup case. We are not applying butyl caulk in this video demonstration. When you do, apply 2 beads of butyl caulk along the ceiling, rear wall, and base. Beads of caulk should be 1/4 inch to 3/8 inches wide. Apply 1 bead of butyl caulk along the front of the case. Only add caulk to one of the cases being joined, as excessive amounts of sealant may squeeze out of the joint. Identify the next case in the lineup and move it into position using a Johnson bar or pallet jack. Only contact the sheet metal of the bottom foamed panel to avoid damaging the bases. Align the cases front and rear, and make sure cases are within 1/4 inch of each other. Remove the coil covers on the left end of the second case to access the bottom joining holes. Loosely install the case bolts by hand tightening them. Confirm the cases are aligned, then push the cases firmly together. Now tighten the lower and upper case bolts. Do not attempt to pull the cases together using the case bolts. Check that the case is level and square using a 4-foot level. A visual indicator is that the top of the doors are level, meaning there is no door sag. Door sag is caused by one end of the case being higher than the other. If the cases are not level, add or remove shims under the front or rear of the case. For NSF compliance, apply small beads of silicone or other NSF-approved sealant to the seams between the cases, creating a watertight seal. Do not let silicone-based sealant and butyl sealant contact each other, as this may affect adhesion. We are not applying sealant in this video demonstration. Next, install the T on the drain pipe in the direction of your floor drain. Then install the supplied running trap, ensuring that the trap is level. Each case must have its own drain and be individually trapped. After the running trap, run the drain at a downward slope to the hub drain. For hybrid cases, the drain is trapped to a condensate removal system. Highlight cases have a bottom electrical enclosure behind the bumper assembly, where electrical components and LED power supplies are found. If the electrical to top option is selected, an electrical whip with a junction box will be run from the electrical box to the top of the case. Standard refrigeration connections terminate inside the case. Other exit options are available, such as top or out back. Install the remaining Tinnerman clips on each bumper support bracket. Align the end panel kick plate and install the rear fastener. Align the front kick plate and hang the bumper from it. Fasten the end kick plate, front kick plate, and bumper into the same Tinnerman clip on the bumper support bracket. Fasten the center mounting holes. At the case joint, slide the kick plate splice behind the kick plate and fasten. Install the next end kick plate, front kick plate, and bumper in the same way. Attach the bumper splice piece. Install the top splice piece between the top trim pieces. Install the case-to-case joining strip between the cases. Once the lineup is complete, it is best to cover the cases during any store construction to protect them and keep them clean. And there you have it. Your Zero Zone Highlight merchandisers are now ready for stocking and years of reliable service.